Man, it's 5:30 in the morning. It's too early for this.
Why are we awake? Why are we alive right now?
We have to drive 2 hours to get to this one spot. I wish I could just teleport.
Oh, that was a good use of teleportation. The plan for today is, or not the plan, what we're doing is, we've got Hayden, Lamont and Mike. We're all here in this place full of trees and we're going to be taking some photos because that's what we do, we're photographers. Mike, do something funnier on camera. My name's Hayden and I've got a big off tripod.
Check out my vlogging setup. I'm putting on an ND filter so you can have a good shutter speed. All an ND filter does, it literally just cuts out light. That's all it is. It just makes the image darker. So because you're able to cut out light in lighter situations like today, if you want to maintain a good shutter speed, 25 frames per second, a shutter speed of 1/50 would be the most cinematic shutter speeds. But you're not able to do that a lot of times.
It's going to be too bright,
Yeah,
right?
because it's going to be too bright. So what you need is an ND filter to cut out that light so it compensates for the shutter speed that you're trying to get.
Filmmaking lessons with Hayden.
Subscribe to my
No, don't, subscribe. You definitely already subscribed if you're subscribed to me. Bro, Bro, you have a leech on your neck, straight up.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
On your throat.
You're an idiot. You're lying.
Bro, I swear, bro. Wait,
how do you get rid of it? Stop. You're freaking me out.
Stop, just stop. Oh, it's fully on. It's fully on.
Get it off me. How do you get it off?
Stop.
Holy shit.
What is that?
It's a blood-sucking leech, bro. What the hell?
No, it's on me. Don't ever come to Australia. Never come here. They're all out to kill you. I swear to God, mate. Whoa, big blaze.
Listen to this. When I just literally move like this, the whole room shakes. I feel like the whole house is shaking. Anyway, let's get back onto topic. That was a really fun day, as always. Love shooting with the boys. I haven't really shot nature in a while. It's good. It's a good little change of scene. Obviously, I did a bit of nature photography in Japan, but coming back to Melbourne, I sort of always stick to just going straight to street photography mode. But it was good to get out and shoot a bit of nature for once. So the photos. It was a bit of an interesting day today because I was sort of just focusing on filming that vlog and I wasn't really concentrating on the photos. It's sort of difficult because I'm still starting YouTube. It's sort of difficult to do both things at once. Take photos and create a YouTube video at the same time. But in saying that, I still did get some cool shots that I'm happy with. So starting off with this first one here, it's just the classic one that I wanted to get. It's of Mike and he's holding the paper, as you can see. And the thing that I like about this shot is that the fire just adds that extra level of sort of that wow factor. That wow, I don't even say wow factor. I don't think I've ever said that seriously, but you know what I mean. It just adds that, it just adds to the photo and makes it stand out. And then moving on to the second and final shot here, which is this photo of the paper. It's on the floor. The thing that I think is really cool about this shot is that you can see Mike is like this sort of figure in the background, and then you got this sort of flames, all this fire coming off the newspaper. It just gives like this sort of danger vibe. It just looks really cool, and I think it suits the photo. It's cool because I've never really shot flames, like fire. Like I have before, but this close-up shot here is cool because I've never really taken a close-up shot of fire before. And just seeing all the details in every single flame is just something cool. What's another word that I can say that's not cool? The flames are vibrant. We'll go with that. The flames are vibrant, and that's why I liked them. But no, it was really cool because you can see all the details in the flames, just something different. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was a shorter one. I like to keep them short. I like to just put all the good shit, all the good footage into one quick little video rather than a longer video. Because I know when I'm watching YouTube, I cannot be stuffed watching a video. stuffed. I cannot be watching a video that is like 10 minutes long or something. But I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think, if you like shorter videos or longer videos, because I'm up for both. I don't mind. So that's all for today. If you're not already following me on Instagram, it's at 7th Era. Feel free to send me a DM, ask me a question about photography or any other questions in general. As always, stay inspired, keep creating, and that was a bit early. I'll start that again. As always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.